Disassemble a dining room chair with Nozac springs. Put the chair upside down on your worktop. Remove all staples with the staple lifter, hickory mallet and pliers. The decorative nails can be removed with a tack claw. The front corner is fastened with a slip stitch. Remove the staples you see at the inner side. Front corner and back corners. The foam is fastened with staples. Remove them if you want to replace the foam. Remove the cloth underneath the foam. These are Nozac springs. They are in good order, so I use a different object in the next video to demonstrate how to replace them.